The Karnataka Legislative Assembly on Thursday unanimously passed the Social Boycott, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Bill, marking a significant step towards curbing discriminatory practices rooted in caste and community enforcement. The bill, introduced on December 12 by Social Welfare Minister H.C. Mahadevappa, defines social boycott as any oral, written, or symbolic act of discrimination imposed by a community against an individual or family. Such actions often include denial of social participation, economic exclusion, or collective harassment. Under the new law, enforcing or instigating a social boycott can attract imprisonment of up to 3 years and a fine of up to 1 lakh rupees. The legislation also prohibits meetings or assemblies convened with the intent of discussing, declaring, or implementing a social boycott. An important provision of the bill mandates that courts must hear the victim before deciding the quantum of punishment, ensuring the affected person's perspective is considered during sentencing. Calling the legislation historic, Mahadevappa said it strengthens the principles of equality, dignity, and social justice, particularly for marginalized and vulnerable sections who often face informal punishments imposed by community bodies. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said the law directly addresses practices such as harassment, social exclusion, and penalties enforced by caste panchayats, which have no legal or constitutional standing. The bill received across the board support in the House, with members from the BJP and JDS backing the move. BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra acknowledged that both the ruling party and the opposition stood united in supporting the legislation. With bipartisan backing, the law is expected to serve as a deterrent against extra-legal social punishments and reinforce constitutional protections at the grassroots level.